Hey, what's up everybody? Evan here, Evan's Detailing and Polishing, hanging out at the Time to Shine compound. What I got in front of me here is two different styles of foam cannons. We brought this style in because most people couldn't use this style. Why is that? This reason right here. So if you don't have a pressure washer or access to a pressure washer, we have a solution. Of course, everybody knows this one here is for your pressure washer. Works really well. We've been selling a lot of them. A lot of people like them. But what we also have is a lot of people that were messaging me saying they wanted the garden hose ones. What is this right here? It's a garden hose sprayer. This actually comes in the kit. We give you a free one, comes with it. All it does is got a quick connector on it. Bam. You are instantly ready to go. All you do is mix your soap, and actually right on here is a little mark, and it shows you how much soap to put in there. The rest of it is just water. Now your foam, if you're expecting it to be like this, be prepared to be let down. It will not be that kind of foam. This is just a garden hose. It doesn't have the same amount of pressure. It doesn't have the ionizer. It doesn't have any of that. But what it will do is it'll mix your soap, and it'll give you a really good foam that will help you wash your vehicle. For the people that hand wash, this thing is outstanding. What you're trying to do is you're trying to just get the foam on there, and the foam just acts as a barrier and helps you stay wetter longer. When it dries out and you're going to wash it with a hand mitt, as soon as it dries out, all you're doing is scratching your car. You don't want to scratch your car, people. Don't do that. Keep it wet. So get yourself a foam cannon. You can find them, either one of these, on GoShineOn.com/shop. They're available. We keep them in stock. Of course, like I said, you can either get the one for the pressure washer or you can get the garden hose one. Both of them are available. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you watching all these videos. Look forward to a tutorial with this one later on. And if you're watching these videos, click the link below. Please subscribe. I appreciate you. And if you really like this stuff and want to stay tuned with what we're doing on a regular basis, check out either GoShineOn.com or Metal Polisher 3826 on Instagram. Appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by.